All right, welcome to the homework for Chapter 3, Lesson 4, Day 1, Real World Problems Involving Ratios. So, this situation, if you need some more practice with this, because here's where the rubber really meets the road with ratios, and you could check on textbook page 211, 212, questions 1 through 4. All right, so getting started, cost of a carpet is $45. Lucas and Sophia bought the carpet and shared the cost in the ratio of 4 to 5. How much did Lucas pay for the carpet? Now, just calculating the ratio is insufficient. Just calculating anything is insufficient. I need to make sure I put it into a sentence. So I'm going to start with that. Lucas paid blank dollars. And I know if the total cost was 45 and he split it, that this amount definitely should be less than 45. So our total is 45 because that's that whole cost. Lucas was listed first. Sophia is listed second. And so let's get this started with a bar model. Lucas and Sophia, that ratio is 4 to 5. So that means for every 4 portions that Lucas spent, Sophia spent 5. So already I'm noticing that Sophia paid more than Lucas for this carpet. So if we know, there we go. All right. So that is going to be really helpful when determining my reasonable solution, my reasonable answer. Sophia, boop, boop, ba-doo, ba-doo, and here is our total. So I've taken a moment to share or to show this information on a bar model. So I've got it all set. I know that the ratio was 4 to 5, so I did Lucas having 4 portions, Sophia having 5 portions. That means Sophia paid 1 more portion than Lucas, and the cost of the entire carpet is 45. So when I look at this, I notice that there are 9 units in this bar model, in this ratio, and those 9 units equal $45. So if I do 45 divided by 9, that's equal to 5. So that means 1 unit is $5. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5. So each one of these is 5 buckarooskies. And the question is, how much did Lucas pay? So we are going to be trying to figuring out that piece of information right here. So Lucas has 4 units, and each one is $5. So that means Lucas spent $20. 4 times 5 is 20. And if just to double check ourselves, that would mean that Sophia, she spent 5 units of 5, which is $25. And if we combine those two amounts, we do get our original 45. So I can feel quite confident that Lucas did in fact pay $20. That's less than Sophia. That fits the meaning of this ratio really well. Moving on, a group of students surveyed chose badminton and soccer as their favorite sports in a ratio of 4 to 7. So badminton is 4, soccer is 7. If 63 students chose soccer as their favorite sport, 63 chose soccer, find the number of students that chose badminton as their, oops, that's not what I want, that chose badminton. So we don't know the number of badminton students, but we know that the ratio of badminton to soccer is 4 to 7. So for every 4 badminton students, there are 7 soccer students. So 4 to 7. I'm just going to duplicate that as 8 and then get rid of one of them. So that does seem to fit, that fewer students chose badminton than they did soccer. Here's our picture. Lovely. 63 students chose soccer. So here is, we know, 63. And our question is asking how many chose badminton. So I am going to get myself a little bit more organized. That bar model ended up taking up too much space. But now I can see that in soccer that there are 7 units in soccer. And those 7 units equal 63 students. So that means if I do 63 divided by 7 and I get 9, that means 1 unit is 9 students. So this is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And then I can tell that the badminton students are 4 units. And so that must be 9 times 4, or 36 students. So there are 36 students. So my sentence is 36 students chose badminton as their favorite sport. If 132 students were surveyed, find the number of students that chose soccer as their favorite sport. So this is a related ratio, but different amounts. So I'm going to go back to here and get rid of the information that no longer applies. We don't know. I am going to get rid of all of these 9s because those 9s are no longer true. I'll go back and add that color in a minute. Okay, so we still have a 4-to-9 ratio, a 4-to-9 relationship. But we now have the total. So we know that our total amount of students is 132. And so we want to know how many chose soccer. So in order for us to do that, this 132 students is badminton and soccer all together. So that means our number of badminton and our number of soccer, we have 4 units of badminton, 7 units of soccer. So that means there are 11 units total. And in those 11 units, there are 132. So if I do 132 divided by 11, that's going to give us our number of students for each unit. Well, I know that this is a 110 and a 22, and 110 divided by 11 is 10. 22 divided by 11 is 2, so this is 12. Now, I have a hard time remembering 11 times 12, so that's why I needed that bit of work. So each unit is 12 students. So 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So badminton is going to be 4 groups of 12, which is 48 students. And then soccer is 7 units, each containing 12, which is 84 students. So we don't necessarily need to know that about badminton because we are only asking about soccer. So if I would have been using my brain, I would have gone like this and said, here's my question mark. So 84 students chose soccer as their favorite. Awesome. And here we go. Oh my gosh, 3 people. I'm going to start from the bottom of my colors this time. So Presley, Marley, and Ethan. Some stickers were divided among Presley, Marley, and Ethan in a ratio of 1 to 3 to 4. That order is super important. Marley, the green, received 21 stickers. How many stickers did Presley receive? So we have Presley, Marley, and Ethan. And it was a 1 to 3. That was not what I wanted. 1 to 3 to 4 ratio. So let's duplicate that. And we'll add one more. All right. So here is just our ratio shown. I am going to take a moment to color code. Presley was orange, Marley was green, and Ethan was red pink. And we know that Marley received 21 stickers. That's what it says right there. And how many stickers did Presley receive? So Presley received blank stickers. So I've captured all of that information, and that seems pretty good. Now, if Marley received 21 stickers, that's 3 units. So 3 units equals 21 stickers. So if I do 21 divided by 3, I get 7, and that is in 1 unit. So each unit is 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So Presley received 7 stickers. Awesome. How many stickers were there in all? So this is a question about the total. So we want to know that bit there as our blue piece. So if we know that Presley received 7, Marley received 21, and then Ethan, he received 4 groups of 7, or 28. So here's 28, here's 7. So we would just need to add all of those up. 7 plus 21 plus 28 is 28 plus 28, which is 56. And we could also check and see. If we looked at the number of units in this scenario, we would have 8 units total of 7 stickers. So 8 times 7 is 56. So there were 56 stickers in all. Awesome. Cool. So reminder, if you need some more practice with that, here is those problems that you can work on. I thought I had a highlighter, but not the case. So you can go back and check those out.